northwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Marengo to near Malta, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Schaumburg, Hoffman Estates, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Geneva, Lake Zurich,
Sycamore, Waconia, Barrington, Island Lake, Burrito, Genoa, and Sleepy Hollow, including the following. In Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 32 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie to 26 nautical miles southwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated.
Radar indicated. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Southeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:45 p.m.
At 5:59 p.m., 3 severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Orland Park to near Morton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, golf sign, and Madison. This includes University of Chicago, University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Gedardwood State Park, Governors State University, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, William G. Stratton State Park, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Calumet City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf-ball-sized hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, South Marieso, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Griffith, St. John, Chesterton, Lake Station, Whiting, Porter, Burnham, and Burns Harbor, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 2 and 36. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 31. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 253 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calumet City to near Manhattan, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Dalton, Park Forest, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Steger, Flossmoor, Linwood, Glenwood, University Park, Posen, Olympia Fields, Burnham, Oak Forest.
Mile markers 332 and 349. Interstate 80 between mile markers 149 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 68 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 68 and 74. This includes First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shanahan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Tinley Park, Chicago Heights, Lansing, New Lenox, Park Forest, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Shanahan, Minooka, Steger, Flossmoor, Linwood, Glenwood, University Park, Olympia Fields, Pewtown, Wilmington, and Homewood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 248. Interstate 57 between mile markers 325 and 343. This includes Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Governors State University, Prairie State College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles southwest of Montrose Harbor to 28 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 60 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The severe thunderstorm warning for east. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Heights or over Glenwood, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherryville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Madison, Griffith, and St. John. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 338 and 349. Interstate 80 between mile markers 150 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 69 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 69 and 74. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 2 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 251 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Calumet, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Prairie State College, South Shore Railcats Baseball, and South Suburban College. For your protection. This is No Weather Radio. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 48, effective until 4 a.m. Wednesday, or 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Vermilion, Will and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 10:45 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Little Rock to near Yorkville to near Morris, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oswego around 10:25 p.m. Aurora, Naperville, Minooka, Montgomery, and Sugar Grove around 10:30 p.m. Joliet, Plainfield, Shanahan, North Aurora, and Shorewood around 10:35 p.m. Bolingbrook, Romeoville, West Chicago, Batavia, Warrenville, and Rockdale around 10:40 p.m. Wheaton, Lockport, and Winfield around 10:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A thunderstorm was located near Lake Dalecarlia, or near Lowell, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lakes of the Four Seasons around 11:35 p.m. DeMoss, Hebron, and Boone Grove around 11:40 p.m. Malden and Cobb around 11:45 p.m. Dunsbridge around 11:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wheatfield, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 236 and 250. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room.